Right, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Right, guys. I think Saturday session is not there. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we discuss the things. What is the last session? What we did? Just introductory part. What is the last terminology in the last session? HTML. So introductory part we did in the last session. Okay. So a few basic points we can try to see. First, history of HTML will observe. Some basic points, history of HTML. 1989, its name is GML, Generalized Markup Language. 1989, its name is GML, Generalized Markup Language. So 1991, it is renamed as SGML, Standard Generalized Markup Language. Standard Generalized Markup Language. And in 1994, it is renamed as HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Then in 1998, there is a new version, XML Plus and XHTML occurred. That is only we are calling extended hypertext markup language. Extended hypertext markup language. XHTML. Then fifth. In 2008, it is released as HTML 5.0. Advanced hypertext markup language. In 2016 almost all. HTML 5.1. Advanced hypertext markup language for all gadgets and widgets. So these are up to here. Actually, from here onwards, we are calling Web 2.0. Web 2.0 level features, all these are. So in Web 2.0 level only, CSS 3 entered. We are calling advanced cascading style sheets. And here only there is SASS entered. And here only there is less also entered. SASS meaning syntactically awesome style sheets. SASS means syntactically awesome style sheets. Less means linear cascading style sheets. Linear cascading style sheets. Right. So Web 3.0, latest web environment, best example. Web 3.0 onwards, bot mechanism started. Automated programs, automated softwares. Maybe you guys already heard. Nowadays, web bots very popular. Net bots, customer care bots, virus bots. Bots are very popular right now. Antivirus, automated softwares controlling completely nowadays. Chatbots, Labots, number of nowadays completely bots mechanism. Their maximum they're using NLP, ML, DL, little AI, all these technologies, Web 3.0. Here only metaverse concept also entered. I don't know how many people heard these kind of things. So nowadays, latest web environment completely related to automated software controls. Right. So introduction to HTML. NLP means natural language processing. ML means machine learning. DL means deep learning. AI means artificial. Right. So next one is introduction to HTML. Hypertext markup language. What is hypertext? Specially designed text for web browsers. So markup language is specially designed English language. Specially designed English language. So this language should write in first one, left angular bracket and right angular bracket. Left angular bracket and right angular bracket. Right. So generally syntax we're observing like this. Example. Simple one. Then types of tags. Before that one tag already we did types of tags. Tags are classified into the following two types. First one is paid tags, non-paid tags. What is the meaning of paid? What is the meaning of non-paid? A tag which is having opening and closing tag. And we can see that example. HTML opened, HTML close. Head opened and head you need to close. So like this paid tags existed. A tag which is happening, opening and closing. HTML head. So BR tag, sometimes we are closing this BR right side. HR tag, sometimes we are closing right side. IMG tag, sometimes we are closing right side. So BR means break. HR means horizontal rule. IMG means image. BR means break. HR means horizontal rule. IMG means image. Right. Paid and non-paid completed. How to create a web page. First example. How to create a web page. How to create a web page. Right. So before we are going to create a web page, so last two sessions, fundamentals I discussed with you. Maybe 10-15 members today newly entered into session. Listen. While I'm speaking, if you are silent, something will understand. Otherwise, time waste to come to class. Outside parks available, sit and talk to your girlfriend. Happy. Why this headache? Online people, correct or not? Offline, on that better. While I'm speaking, you should. Otherwise, you can speak. I'll sit happily there. Happy. Super comfortable place, that one. 10 paper also doesn't require. Compared to this one, I like it very much, that place. Come, anybody can sit. I'm happy. I'll give. New one I'll give. Okay, listen. While I'm talking, you should listen. Come for subject. Not come. Don't come for sleep. 3 members just now woke up. In your classroom, 3 members now woke up. Okay, right. Don't come for sleep. Sleep is coming. Brain is giving signal. No. Stay in the room. Put some good music. Okay. Happily can sleep. First one. Sleep is a third doctor. First doctor is a sun. Okay. Second one is a food. Maintain these 3 properly. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Don't see like that. Okay. Sit freely first. Some people are tension. New members. Sit freely first. Sit freely and enjoy the session. Don't sit like that. Please sit happily. You can sit. Come for subject. Learn subject. Understand the terms. Any term not understood at the end of the session, you can try to question me. Or starting of the session. Middle means more people are there, no? So trouble. Even online people also. At the end of the session, I'll make it enable or chat box. Happily you can question, no problem. So listen carefully. HTML is one of the easiest markup language. Nowadays, 5th class, 6th class students are learning in schools. They're enjoying, but you are very serious. This much book, this much bag you are bringing, 4 or 5 color pens bringing, coming like a pilot. After 2 months, these people are not available. Why, sir? Stay tuned, be strong. First day we entered means last day also you should come that intention. Man, when batch will be completed? Not when will be completed, sir. Please complete, sir. Don't ask like that. Okay, stay 3 months. 3 months are, oh my God. Otherwise, ready-made, scissors available, backside pocket. That's it. Where scissors also you don't know, but batch successfully completed. Okay, so listen. Try to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, a gateway. Any kind of subject. Before you are going there, compulsory. They're giving one white paper or one notepad. Right. Validations for password. Right. How to validate email ID. Write one password logic. One capital letter, one special character. Password must be minimum 6 characters, maximum 24 characters. Right. Then you will see sky only. Degree 99.99%. That is not the matter. Matter learn correctly. All the things here. Nowadays, of course, compared to JavaScript, nowadays people are using Angular more. After successful completion of JavaScript, go for Angular. Successful completion of JavaScript. Successful underline. Okay. I know your completion. I know very well. I know you. I came that age to this age. Okay. Just, I said starting only. 23rd year I'm teaching. In Naresh IT, 19th year in Naresh IT. Starting intention, ending why not existed? That's my question. Okay. Should be continued. Daily practice. Online people, you also. Daily practice. Whatever the terms I'm using here. Paid, non-paid. Why paid? Right side. Non-paid level, some alias names also available. So alias names available here. Shit. Alias names. Keyboard is not good. Shit. Alias names. First one is empty tags. And here only singular tags. Singular tags. Forcefully closed tags. What more available? Empty, singular, forcefully closed tags. And something. I didn't remember names. Okay, like this. names available. So these tags are this one. Now, before we are going to create a web page, some rules we need to follow. So initially we can try in Notepad. Later we'll do some IDEs or some editors available. VS Code is not IDE. VS Code is a editor. IDE best example means WebStorm, PyCharm. Maybe you heard the names. Dreamweaver. There are many available. Edit++ is again editor. That is also. Notepad++. So whichever you want, you can take. But Notepad is simple one, convenient. First, we'll try in the Notepad. Shall I remove? Right. Notepad level. First web page I'm creating. What I'm giving? Doc type HTML. Then HTML. Open means you need to close. Then head. Open means you need to close. Then head inside what available generally? Title available. Then open means you need to close. Then title level, something I'm giving, for example, come to body. So body and body close. So as per W3C standard, this is the HTML document structure. Every HTML document has this kind of structure, right? HTML document structure. HTML document structure. Right, same document I'm modifying now. So I'm giving here first web page, and I'm giving symbol here. Welcome to, for example, Naresh IT Hyderabad. I'm giving. So check it the instructions. Save the document on any location. I'm saving. Web page dot HTML. Simple, I'm selecting that one. Online guys observing. Right, click on that. Saved. Once you saved that, in my system, Google Chrome is the default browser. That is the reason displaying in the Google Chrome format. Just if you're double clicking on that, it opens. Observe you only now. First web page, welcome to Naresh. So you need to save with what extension here? .html extension. Good. Save with .html and run on any web browser. Right, already executed. Can I modify directly on the web page? Means it is not possible. So then I'm going here, I'm modifying. For example, I want to add US. Right, save it and just here refresh. Direct modification on the web page not possible in HTML. Advanced level possible. In HTML file location we can do directly on your web page, we can edit. But right now that is not possible. So this is the way how we are creating HTML. But two unique features HTML is error free. HTML never displayed any error. Completely error free markup. Even you are going to take HTML, another point is here. Just normal English language type. Normal English. You are giving valid one, output will come. Invalid one, blank will come. So, okay. Now, first, for example, I'm removing this. Save it and run here. Executing perfectly. There is no difference. Again, I'm removing, for example, HTML. Remove. So, here also you can save it and come back. No difference. Again, head removed. And save it. Come here, refresh. Again, title removed. And save it. Refresh. By default, location is body. If you are not giving anything, by default, it is recognizing everything body. See, first web page came to body. Now, body we removed, for example. Right. Save it. Yes, coming everything. But there is no tag available. But still, HTML perfectly executing. It is error free. You can also try. Everything it is treating as a body. For example, I'm writing again here body. Yes. So it is coming default location body. Then header I am not giving. Directly title I am giving. Then automatically it is shifted to title. Again, for example, the title I am giving inside the body. Refresh. See that one. If you are writing in the body also, it is not agreeing. So title means only in the head level. Wrong location you are writing, but correct result it is giving. Of course, as per W3C standard, coding is wrong. Who is W3C? World Wide Web Consortium. It is an organization to maintain web standards. You need to maintain that. So happily you can try to. So this is the way how we are going to create HTML web pages in Notepad. Very simple. I hope you understood what is the symbols in here. Learning HTML is not big matter. Even CSS, even JavaScript. But in JavaScript, some areas, little bit. But is really we are using JavaScript means? No. Industry completely already shifted to advanced JavaScript frameworks, libraries. JS library, best example, jQuery. Angular is the best framework from JS. Express also. Node is server side. I'm talking about the client side. So guys, you can try to get it. What is server? What is client? What are the server related technologies? What are the client related technologies? Many of people having clarity or not, I don't know. Coming and sitting in directly session, not. Before you are coming to session, At least Google is free of cost. Okay, you have a question, throw to Google. Google give answer. What is client side? What is server side? Client side technologies means where we are running. Server side where we are running. Never learn the technology blindly. So prior knowledge is their benefit. You're sitting, for example, in Python or in Java, in JavaScript, or in some data science, machine learning, or natural language processing, whatever it is, C or C++, compulsory before coming to session, some exploration you can do. Where this technology? What exactly that? So what is my expectations to settle into IT industry? So at least that idea is there. Then you'll understand. What is HTML? Simple. HTML is a static language, static markup. What purpose? To design web pages. Mainly to design web pages. What kind of web pages we can design? Static web pages. You want to make it dynamic? Again, programming required. Programming required. The programming means like JavaScript, or some other libraries, or some other frameworks. Script different, library different, framework different. Nowadays in the industry, how is frameworks? Maximum frameworks. Framework is a type of platform to develop software applications more effectively, more efficiently, in an optimized manner, in simplified manner. So get the things, frameworks. So these are the base level I'm giving, base environment level words I'm speaking to you. Right. So of course you understood what exactly HTML web page creation, how simple it is. So in that one, some tags are used. You observed or not? What are the tags are used here? For example, doc type HTML. It is not a tag. It is not a tag. It is a, what can I say? It is providing always version information. It is giving version information. Giving version information. Version information about which one? HTML. Where we are not giving any information, that is we are calling as HTML5. HTML5 information. For example, HTML available. What we are calling this one? Root element or root tag. Root element or root tag. After that, for example, head available. What it is representing? Logical section. Logical section of a web page. Whatever programming we are writing in the head section. You can take as CSS or JavaScript or jQuery, Angular, whatever you are writing, we are writing in the head level. Head is very important location. Head is a logical part. And body is a visual part. Visual part of the page. Visual part of web page. Visual part of web page. Like this, these tags majorly existed here. Right. Some basic information already provided. How to create a web page also you people are pretty clear. Some information I'll try to show you. HTML level. So what we did in the day one, basics of web, almost completed all these words. Hope you remember whatever the terms already I shared with you in the day 1, day 2. So after that, and today is just introductory part. In the last session already some features, some limitations. Versions doesn't require. Don't worry about all these versions. Approximately years available, but I already said where history of HTML today spoke. 89, 91, 94, 98. Hope you remember. All the versions I provided just now, you wrote already. Web 1.0, Web 2.0, Web 3.0. Given already some information to your bots. Then tag already defined, types of tags already explained. This notes completely I'll share in Google Classroom, whatever you are seeing on that one. Writing, I never bother about you are writing notes or not. I'm always observing you are using phone or not. That's it. Phone is not there. You are the perfect human being. Nobody will disturb you. The device will disturb you always. Some of you people, when you will see what nothing will come. Time waste. That you also knows. But first of all, until you get a job, don't purchase for a smartphone. Definitely you'll get easily job. Who are not using phone, they are within 1 month, they'll get a job. Who are using now 2 months. Okay. Who are using smartphone, maybe they'll get or not, I don't know. Maybe. Why means ready device. True. Agreeing or not, I don't know. Not. You people are agreeing or not, I don't. But recently in one college, students asked me, almost 12 members attended in seminar. Through Naresh, I have taken JavaScript. They asked me one suggestion. Sir, how to get easily job? Will you follow? I'll give. If you are going to follow me, I'll give instruction. I've given. Following or not, there one. Why means if you are using properly, no problem. 24/7, that one only. Okay, concentrate. Smartphone level, how to execute HTML, you can try. I appreciate you. Tomorrow you can tell me. Okay? Android and you are using iOS now, run this program and tell me. Whatever HTML examples are there, run it. Like that you can use. So, tags already completed. Paid tags, non-paid tags. And next one is what? Structure of HTML we did. So opening, closing already explained. Opening tag and closing tag, right? Paid tags and non-paid. Already, you know, already just now we wrote notes. Right. Editors. Just now I used Notepad only. So Notepad is what? Notepad is what? Editor. Right or not? Can anybody tell me Notepad original name? I'll sit here only. I'm giving 2 minutes. Online people. Don't Google it and tell me. What is the real name of the Notepad? Online students. Come on. Offline also. Don't use Google. Notepad, everybody knows, no? Once the childhood days onwards, we know we are kings already. Kings and queens. What is the Notepad original name? Huh? ASCII formatted file. Notepad original name is ASCII formatted file. Remember this word, online people. ASCII formatted file. What is the meaning of that one? It accepts only American English. Later, nowadays, in the latest versions, later, it is accepting other languages. It is accepting other languages. But originally, Notepad is ASCII formatted file. Only for ANSI standards. That is American English. That is the reason any local language you can try to save. It won't save. It will ask you. Save with the UTF-8 format. Unicode transformation format data. And -8 means 1 byte is equal to 8 bits format is asking. Right. So open the Notepad and you can try to write the programs in HTML level in the initial stage. Right. Good. So this is a simple and easy one. And the next level we are entering into, for example, all these resources existed in notepad level we are testing. Just come to my notes. Text-based editors available. Unix and Linux level. And if you are coming to, for example, IDEs level, already I said, there are number of available. I'm concentrating completely on PyCharm. My concentration completely on PyCharm. PyCharm is the best editor. Really, I'll show you definitely. So as soon as our basics completed, we are entering into that location of PyCharm. I'm also very much interested to use IDEs because no need to write in the notepad, everything we need to write. Opening, closing, opening, headache. IDE means very simple, my job. Only logic only we need to write. Remaining magic by default available. So in the real-time industry also we are using even VS Code related editors only we are using, to be frank. So these are the real-time editors available here. Just it is going to be presenting. So whatever previously, maybe in the last session, whatever the things I used existed here. So this is every example you are going to save how it is going to be, can check it here. And there is a color also existed, easily you can identify. So tag level or HTML client side is a perfect one. No, sir, I want to use the brackets, no problem. Edit ++, notepad ++, whichever you are comfortable, you can use, no problem, no issue. Whichever you are comfort. But VS Code is commonly we are using in the industry. Good one. Default, the location is default editor it is, but it is not IDE. Please remember, IDE different, integrated development environment is different. Editor different. Maybe it is looking like IDE, but it is not IDE. So many people are confusing that. So what is that? For example, you want to run this, whatever you are writing. So within the, for example, it is a fresh, I'm removing. Fresh, you are creating. So your creation time, you are going to be like this, and you want to create HTML page. Just you are giving like that. That's it, enter. Automatically coming this code, I'm not writing. We will write all these opening, closing by default. Just one exclamation, press enter. Easy. That is the reason I'm saying notepad level first comfort. These all are simple. At the same time, if you are coming to here, execution also more simple. So if you're going where I started, actually starting level, my example is this one. You want to execute. Just you can come here and right click. Just I'm going to run with anyone. Copy path, copy it. Otherwise run with live server. Just you can click on that one. Once you are going to click default browser, whatever available, directly it is running on the default browser. So that is also very simple and already pre-configured. In your system, default browser, Chrome level executes. Default browser is Edge level executes. Default browser is whatever available on that level, whatever the program I wrote, it is get executed. So how to create, how to install all these things? After 2-3 days, I'll start the VS Code. After 2-3 days. So initially, Notepad is the best for you. Practice, but HTML practicing means more interest, colorful life. Different colors, different presentations. Definitely will enjoy. Web technologies, my dear, we can't. Web technologies high demand, day by day. Web technologies demand increasing. Everything web only, my dear. Without web, what is there? How you come to know today's session is there here today? Web only. Before this session, my face already have seen in the internet. Yes. Try to understand everything web only. No web, nothing. Recognize everybody the truth. Some people are asking me that, sir, web is good or bad? Web is good or bad means you should say. You should say, because daily 24/7 what you are doing. You are hungry. What you are doing? Going to online or ordering food? Then you can tell me good or bad. You are using good purpose, good. You are using bad means bad. It's not the matter. But don't blame web. Blame your brain set. So web is highly essential. Nowadays, front-end technology is more demand. Highest demand, Angular React, client side. Peak. Server level, Node.js. Number of jobs. Again, recession came, no sir, number of jobs people are losing. Yes, that is common. This is not the first year. In software industry, every 2-3 years is a common story. People learning, people going, coming people coming out, they're learning new one, they're going inside again. In the name of recession, don't postpone your technology learning. Okay, that is a common. Don't that much serious. Coming. Every day, almost people are getting jobs as well as losing jobs. But reason also you come to know it. In the name of the decision, every time don't ask me, sir, decision, no, sir, I'm getting doubt. Nothing. Online students, listening carefully. So no problem. Listen first these UI technologies importance, learn perfectly. Now, simple way in the notepad level, how to do the next level examples. Okay, created a web page, we know how to create simply. How to add some kind of fav icons. Okay, for example, I'm opening one web page, Google I opened. So something came here. What we are calling generally in your language logo. But this is a fav icon. In HTML language, what we are calling? It is a fav icon. What is the meaning of fav icon? Favorite icon. Fav icon is nothing but favorite icon. For example, if you are coming to Naresh IT, observe here. So there are different, any website you can open nowadays. An advanced web environment, any website you can open. Let me move forward. Okay, we don't want, we'll try to open this. Every website, commonly these fav icons available. You can show me one website without these fav icons? Not possible. In every web page, in every website, commonly these are existed. So Insta. Right, here you can see. So almost in every URL level you are getting. So how to insert that? How to insert that fav icon? So this is through some kind of tags. We'll try to observe that kind of tags. Let me move forward our notes where we are existed. Right, all these I showed. How to create web page, just now we did. Just now we did. Almost you people are pretty clear in the notepad creation. All the steps what we are going to write. Launch a text editor or IDE. Right, required HTML source code. Save file with .html or HTML extension. Anyone, no problem. And save it and right click or double click. Anyone you can do. So that same example we did. Okay. Next, I'm coming to next level. So what are the common shortcut keys we are using in the web? There are many shortcut keys available. All the shortcut keys we don't want. Don't write. Listen. Going to one snapshot you can take, go. Okay. Notes, writing. Change this one. How many years you are? Last 20 years onwards you are studying, writing. Going time, take a snapshot, go. Otherwise, upload all these in the Google Classroom. Online people, everything I'll upload in the Google Classroom. How much notes you want, you can tell me that much notes I'll upload. Understand first. Okay. Don't give importance to write. So we are having Control N, Control T, like commonly using shortcut keys. There are many shortcut keys available. For example, I open one website here. Like, okay, I open Insta here. Control U, I want to see. View source code. Control U represents view source code. So whatever the source code existed, all this completely client side. Don't try to understand. Next time, next session, you are not available. Some are need to understand, some are need to see. Okay. These are need to observe first. So there are many existed here. And whatever I wrote doc type HTML here existed. Which is representing the version information already made. You want to know about the rules of web like this? Why don't you visit w3.org? One website is there here. Try to visit this website. Do you know one URL we can start with minimum 2 characters? Minimum 2 characters. Single character URL is not there. A.com, woo.com, r.com, r.com is not there. aha.com is there. Single character not possible. So as per W3C standard, minimum a URL should have a 2 characters length. Uniform resource locator. It should be. So W3C is the standard. Once you are entering into W3C and if you are clicking on your Tim Berners-Lee, your friend existed. Who is the father of web? Already said. Tim Berners-Lee. Innocent. Father of web. Who created this comfortable web. Wherever you are in the world, you can listen my session happily. Wherever you are. There is no distance. In upcoming days, physical classes not existed. Almost 70-80% people nowadays, online preferring. Online, comfort, easy, same subject. So whatever you are listening, your friends are also listening, same thing only. But they're listening from their home happily. Yes. Okay, right. What they're doing, we don't know. Comfortable. Already United States started online schools. Started already running successfully. Schools, universities, next generation step, that one only. 2020 after the thing you are going to see, that one only. It is not a failure area. It is a correct area when you are using properly. This is depends on you completely. How many number of things available? See, web is next generation. Observe who is he? Co-founder. And who started all these resources today. Already I said these points for you. Right, guys, these are the shortcut keys available. Some are frequently we are using. For example, you can come to another website I'm using here. whatwg.org. HTML5 standards available here. So here also, read the HTML living standard. Click on that when it is leading you. All the things available here. So once you are entering in this area, just if you are coming here and where is open page table of contents and common infrastructure and elements of HTML, you want to know it. Come on. Every element you can try to learn. They'll give you sufficient notes, example, HTML level. Complete information. Every tag explanation. How to write. The syntactical manner. Including char set. Online students, try to utilize properly all these services. What WG contains, complete your tutorial. To be frank, I am also preparing from there only. If I'm going to teach HTML, I'm watching my videos and I'm coming. Because available new things now, old things also we need to know what happened. So basic level, if you are going to follow, simply can go there and just you can type HTML. Then automatically my name will come first. Go through whenever you are getting free time. The big list of videos. Whatever you want. HTML means HTML existed. HTML5 existed. CSS existed. All are existed. Whatever you are going to be. So some deprecated elements related you want to test. Yes, I given. Which are the elements deprecated? Why deprecated? All these. Just you can try to watch basic level videos. All these are giving good information to you, definitely. All these are. So long back only posted for you, deprecated. What are the elements removed? Why removed? What is the reason behind that removing? So all these elements. So number of videos existed here, complete. Basic level, just basic level, 27 videos I posted. Just basic level. What is what to know? So try to read. Not only that, and if you are moving back, and here if you are going to be HTML5 required, 5 also. CSS required, CSS existed. CSS3 required, CSS3 existed. JavaScript required, JavaScript. So these basic videos, at least you can try to follow. So today, whatever web page I created in the basic level, you want to know that creation and execution, try to watch starting first 2 videos from YouTube. You are getting all the resources. JavaScript level, scripting level, we can see. So this is only creation of the web page. How to create and how to execute in the notepad I shown to you. In tomorrow's session, shortcut keys, slowly, images adding, small color codes, one by one. Slowly we are going to take into HTML inside the part. HTML and HTML5 both I am discussing, but not completely, whichever required for industry. Remember, not completely. Completely means only HTML will take 1 month, HTML5 2 months, CSS 2 months, CSS3 2 months, JavaScript 3 months. Altogether 9 months it will take. But whatever important means it will take 2.5 to 3 months. So whatever the tags important, whatever the concepts important, mainly I'm going to share those points. Not everything doesn't require. So tomorrow onwards we'll enter into HTML little in depth. Okay. Thank you. Catch you people tomorrow. Online and offline people. Bye. Thank you everyone. Bye. Online people. Online students, Google Classroom link will share soon. Don't worry.